Introducing EasyRoute, revolutionizing cable routing efficiency. Say goodbye to complex cable routing with the new EasyRoute tool, proudly developed by AVEVA. Designed to streamline your workflow, EasyRoute integrates seamlessly with AVEVA E3D, offering a host of powerful features that transform how you manage cables. Key features: fast routing, accelerate the routing process without sacrificing accuracy. Pre-routing, prepare and visualize routes before finalizing. Multiple cable routes, flexibly handle multiple paths for each cable. Save pre-routes, configuration-based saving for future use. Double back routing, manage complex routing scenarios with ease. Fill check, ensure proper capacity within cableways. Volume-based routing, control routing within or outside specific volumes. Efficient data prep, simplify the setup of routing base information. Mass cable import, streamline large-scale cable management. Consistency checks, ensure routing integrity with automated checks. Detailed reporting, generate comprehensive cable data reports. Configuration management, keep track of routing configurations effortlessly. Works with missing connection references, route confidently even in incomplete cableways. With EasyRoute, cable routing is now faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Take control of your cable management with precision and ease, only with EasyRoute. All 3D. Industrial design.